This is the new Macc 350EDV manual circular saw in the RK International showroom. This is a manual circular saw with a couple of factory fitted accessories. We've got the pedestal base, so it frees up your bench. You also see it's got the pneumatic vise. It just needs an air supply to the foot pedal. And this machine, for popular demand, has got the slow speed motor on it, which with 20 and 40 RPM is ideal for stainless steel. So we clamp either side of the blade. The vise is fully adjustable, 45 degrees left and right. Rotation pins, counterbalanced head with the retracting springs, quick push on the foot pedal, and it's locked. There's no power, no vice, that's all safe. Press the button again on the foot pedal and it retracts. There's your power. Got adjustment on the vise. So you just normally bring it onto the part, back it off the set part, a few turns, push the foot pedal, and that's all clamped. 2-speed controls, coolant, and there's your coolant pump built into the machine base. So the Macc 350EDV, it's got a 110mm tube capacity at 90 degrees, 100mm box section, and 80 by 120 on box section. And that reduces to 80mm at 45 degrees on tube, 80mm on box, and 80 by 80 on section.